SQLBits is the premier SQL Server event and data platform event in the UK and in Europe, in fact.
I've always found Bits to be a unique event because it's so community organized. I think that lends itself to everybody that comes. They know that you are entrenched in the community, and so therefore people understand you're going to bring great value to here.
There is so much benefit of finding out what other people are up to because it's got a great cross-pollination effect. You find somebody's doing this cool thing over here, I can say, oh, I could do that cool thing, or I know the great person for you to tell that to.
People are talking about SQL and they're not trying to sell you anything. A lot of courses I've been to have been predominantly IT companies trying to sell their software obviously to customers. But at SQLBits, there's none of that at all. All the talks are people purely talking about SQL and how you can work with it better.
Here, you can get involved with the speakers. You sit at the front, you can talk to them before sessions, you can catch up with them afterwards, and you can go and talk to them on Twitter and the SQL Slack community as well.
It's really easy to get stuck in your ways and just do what you've always done. And there's a lot of innovation going on all over the place, so you should be here looking at what's new ways to do things, and you can get some real great efficiencies that you didn't know exist.
The biggest benefit when being here at SQLBits is to have the chance to meet with the real pros of SQL Server.
I've seen many faces here I've seen before, and that's a good thing because then you know they're still in the market, you're still there, they can advise you well, and you can also pick up some things from them.
They can come, see all the products in one day, speak with the technical guys, answer any questions they might have, and then kind of really accelerate how quickly their knowledge is for understanding the tools and how that they can help them.
Even if you don't have any money, you can still rock up and have a whole full day of training from world-class industry experts.
Well, I was looking into networking events that involve SQL. And actually SQLBits seemed to be the place to be because I saw the fun party photos.
I really love SQLBits. It is just full of amazing people. It's been kind of the mecca for the past few years at least.
I think more people in my company should be coming to something like this. I think they will find it invaluable.